Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to generate coupon code in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these steps. So first, we will need to be in our WordPress admin panel or your WooCommerce admin panel. After that, we will simply need to go to the coupon page of WooCommerce. So here in the WooCommerce plugin, we will find Home, Orders, Customers, and then we will find Coupons. By clicking on Coupons, we will be able to start adding new coupons for our store. So let's just get rid of this one. And basically, there is already recommended coupon extensions that you can start using, such smart coupon, URL coupon, etc. And all you need to do is to click on add new coupon, and from here you will find the coupon code. So basically, to generate the coupon code, you will need just to click on generate, or you can type it by yourself by adding the numbers, but it's better to generate the coupon code so it cannot be predictable and it will be random and more secure. So basically, after generating any coupon code that you would like, you will need to continue and finish the setup for the coupon. So you will need to add its description. For example, this is a coupon for whatever, like for an event or anything. And basically, you will need just to add a discount type. Would it be a percentage or a fixed rate, or it will have some restriction, usage limits. For example, it will be only used 3 times, etc. So after you finish on creating your coupon, all you need to do is just to click on publish and basically it will be usable. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.